I need to get a naked bike so we could have a naked race. If your bike doesn't make you feel that way, you got the wrong bike. You got the wrong bike.
Yeah, boy.
Alright people, let's go. I'm pretty hyped. We're gonna go to a little car meet hosted by my job. Pretty crazy. Pretty crazy, pretty crazy. Oh, so geeked right now, my boy. It's also gonna be a little taco bar, some prizes, you know what I'm saying? Tires are a little cold, but we're gonna warm up real quick because we are a little late. We are a little late. And I rushed so fast, I gotta buckle in my helmet. God damn it. Come on, let me do this. Glove, do not fall off. Do not go nowhere. Alright, my snake is holding it.
Stop it. Get some help.
Oh, I feel like such a Puerto Rican with my glove off. I feel so naked. Look at my finger. Damn, now y'all know what skin color I am. Y'all could unfollow if you don't like, if this is a turn off. Where is that dang on fucking nipple? Found it. There it is. We are rocking and rolling. Siri, say less, say less. I did bring the boots, okay? And they are gonna be drinking and food and stuff, so I did bring a little pair of Birks. I got a small pair of Birks in the back, so I could be chilling, cruising. Oh, you know what I did forget? Forgot my hat. I ate before I'm coming here, even though there's a shit ton of food, supposedly. I had lunch before I came here, because, man, look, we're in Indiana, okay? What's the odds that they're gonna have some corn tortilla tacos with some lengua and carnitas, you know, al pastor? It's not gonna happen. I'm scared that it's gonna be some white people tacos, so with flour tortillas, ground beef, and ground beef with taco seasoning. I mean, some people like it, but it's not for me. I don't know if y'all be seeing, but sometimes I be shifting and going like this, just getting back on the gas, and I be going. That's what it feels like. I be hitting it too hard. Oh man, bro, I'm telling you. I don't know if I've told you before, but I'm telling you now. This thing is like a little mini H2, man. I'm telling you right now, as you're hearing it, I'm telling you, it's like a mini H2, bro. It's just what makes it like a little mini H2, because yeah, there's a 1000cc. There's bigger bikes that are faster than this, but those are smooth power bands, man. They're quick and they're nice and they're smooth. This one is not. I'm not saying there's something good about it, right? It's not positive, but it's not smooth, bro. A little, and it yanks you, man. It's very unforgiving. Mini H2, baby. Let's go. Oh, I would love to get an H2. I do got a plan though, because it's not like, oh, I'd love to get an H2 and I never get one. That's crazy. That's crazy talk. You got to plan for your goals, right? You have to have aspirations and then have markers to get there. And I got an idea, people. All right, Siri, thank you. I've been scheming. I got an idea, okay? So, as a good man that I am, I'm putting my girl through nursing school, right? I'm paying for her to go through nursing school. It's pretty expensive. And besides all the other things, nursing school is gonna end up being around the cost of an H2. So I told her, instead of paying me back, she could just surprise me with an H2. All right, she could surprise me, and I'm gonna leave little hints here and there for her to pick it up what I want. You know what I'm saying? I got full gear on, people. I always wear my full gear. No, the pants are just long pants. They're thin. It's not gear pants. But I did just watch a YouTube video on a nurse practitioner, and she was explaining, a nurse practitioner that was also an EMT, etc. And she was explaining the aftermath of the motorcycle crashes that she sees, right? And oh man, it's pretty crazy. She went in detail on different things that people don't think of that could really mess you up for a while, okay? And that's the first things first. is getting road rash. Okay, yeah, some people just, it's not just a little burn and it'll go away in a week, right? And it burns, whatever. It could get infected. It takes a very long time to heal. And dude, if you get road rash hard enough, it'll basically, they're burns, and it's bad. It's bad news. He said it takes longer sometimes for it takes longer sometimes for the road rash to heal than it does for bones to heal. Road rash, as well as hand injuries and ankle injuries. He said that those are insane because of where your hands are, man. You could get them caught anywhere. It's same as your feet, and they'll separate, those dislocate. They'll come right off. They'll burn right off, man. It's insanity. Farm simulator in real life. Oh, that thing is crazy, man. Look at that. Farming is so insane to me, dude. Back in Florida, we do not see this at all. So it's just like Farm Simulator to me. It's just like a video game. It doesn't seem real, especially when it goes so vast like this, so far. It just looks like they're like on level 50 in Clash of Clans. It's not even like relatable. It's like, how the hell did you even get there? Siri hasn't talked to me in a minute. I'm a little lost. I'm hoping we're going the right way, not gonna lie. Cause I'm just cruising, man. Chilling on old SYRAX. Whoa, caballitos. Dang, SYRAX, you off-roading, girl. You little fucking nasty thing, you. You wanna get nasty? You just want me to clean you up. I'll clean you up real good, girl, when we get home.
Come on, man.
Are we going straight? I don't know why I'm like that. I don't know. Should we make a right and like make our way back? Catch the next right, I mean? Alright, bet. What happened? What happened? How does it feel to not wear your boots? Feels good? Does it feel good to not wear your boots? Oh boy. I already ate so much fucking wind. Christian, how does the helmet feel? How does it push your face back or not even? It cuts the wind pretty well. I smell a little Mary Jane. I'm like a bloodhound for Mary Jane, bro. I like your little hair sticking out your helmet right there. Oh, cops. Oh, what a guy, bro. Where the hell is this cop? I think he was just trolling us, dog. Yo, that'll be the ultimate troll. Imagine like you're in the car cruising with your girl and there's these sport bikes going fast and y'all come to a red light. Or you just see him across or whatever, and you go and be like, baby, watch, I'm gonna make him slow down. And you go like this. Should we start going to church, bro? Dude, we've been committing hella sins recently. After you? Okay. These are times when I do fucked up shit that I don't think you guys will approve. Yeah, those are the quick ones, I think. Those are the last generation that come manual. I didn't beat you, but I did a wheelie, so I won. I win. It's a win. How many miles your bike got, Chris? Oh my God, here we go, racing. I need to get a naked bike so we could have a naked race. Still learning her a bit. I gotta bring her back way further to hit balance. You don't want no water? No, I'm good. Alright, brother. We're not far. Okay.